If you're a science buff, then you need to know what happens inside a black hole. Get ready for some mind-bending facts. First things first, inside a black hole, gravity is off the charts. Everything gets pulled towards a single point called the singularity. That's where things get super weird. Time, it slows down. So, a minute for you could be years for someone outside. Talk about a time warp, right? And light? Forget about it. It's pitch black because not even light can escape. You're basically in a cosmic void. But here's the kicker, you get stretched out like spaghetti. Scientists call it spaghettification. Yep, you'd be a human noodle. Weird and wild, huh? Living in a black hole is like living in the most extreme environment imaginable. It's a place where the laws of physics go bonkers. But hey, it makes for one epic science story. So, next time you gaze up at the stars, just think, there are black holes out there that could turn your world upside down. Literally.